Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading BIM company in Jaipur, specializing in providing innovative and efficient building information modeling (BIM) services. With a team of highly skilled professionals, we offer a comprehensive range of BIM solutions for architects, engineers, and construction professionals. Our expertise lies in creating accurate 3D models, clash detection, construction documentation, and project coordination using the latest BIM technology. As a BIM company in Jaipur, Scon Design India Private Ltd is committed to delivering high-quality and cost-effective BIM solutions to clients. We understand the importance of accurate and detailed information in the construction industry, which is why we leverage BIM technology to enhance collaboration, reduce errors, and improve project outcomes. Our team of experts is well-versed in BIM software such as Revit, Navisworks, and AutoCAD, ensuring that our clients receive top-notch services tailored to their specific requirements. At Scon Design India Private Ltd, we believe in staying updated with the latest industry trends and technologies. Our team undergoes regular training and skill enhancement programs to ensure that we are at the forefront of BIM innovation. This enables us to provide our clients with cutting-edge solutions that meet their project goals and objectives. One of the key advantages of working with Scon Design India Private Ltd as your BIM company in Jaipur is our commitment to delivering projects on time and within budget. We understand that time is of the essence in the construction industry, and delays can have a significant impact on project timelines and costs. That's why we prioritize efficiency and accuracy in our BIM services, ensuring that our clients can rely on us to meet their deadlines. With our expertise in BIM technology and commitment to quality, we strive to exceed client expectations and deliver projects that are efficient, cost-effective, and successful. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading BIM company in Jaipur, specializing in providing comprehensive building information modeling (BIM) solutions. With a team of highly skilled and experienced professionals, the company offers a wide range of BIM services to clients in various industries, including architecture, engineering, construction, and facility management. As a BIM company, Scon Design India Private Ltd utilizes the latest technology and software to deliver accurate and efficient BIM models and designs. The company is committed to delivering high-quality solutions that meet the unique requirements of each client. One of the key services provided by Scon Design India Private Ltd as a BIM company in Jaipur is BIM modeling. The company has expertise in creating 3D models of buildings and infrastructure projects using BIM software. These models provide a detailed representation of the project, allowing stakeholders to visualize the design and identify any potential issues or clashes before construction begins.